Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update status on WhatsApp web in laptop. So my WhatsApp is open and I want to update our status. So you simply need to search for the Chrome Web Store and open that, and you need to download extension WhatsApp Plus for WhatsApp web. Hit enter and you need to add that extension into your Chrome. I already added. Here you can see, and then you need to come here and click on that extension, and here you can see an option of post status. Click on that. You can add image, text status, and click on send. So this is the process that you need to follow to update status on WhatsApp web in laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.